Welcome to Mariel Lesson Channel! Finally guys, today's video ay mag-start na po kami mananim sa aming backyard. And of course, good morning neighbors! Before tayo mag-start ay magwalis muna tayo dito sa aming veranda. There's lots of dust here guys kasi dyan ay hindi po talaga siya simento kaya yung dust talaga ay pumapasok dito sa bahay. Let's check Sylvester. Sylvester's here. What are you doing, Sylvester? Show me.
Up.
Oh my god, you're cleaning up?
And then did a vlog with me?
Yes, you're being such a good boy. He's cleaning up daw. Papakita niya raw kung anong ginagawa niya. There we go. He's cleaning up his own mess.
We need to finish this one.
What's this?
We need to draw it.
Yeah, you're gonna draw?
Some pencil.
He's very busy. Yan yung ginagawa niya.
I'm gonna draw this. See you later. Goodbye. Skip channel. Bye.
David is already starting it. Hi, honey.
Hi.
Hi. So, this is all our garden bed, guys. Which is, kailangan pa namin po to i-assemble. Actually, we bought this one second hand. At tara, mag-start na po kami ni David. Magtulungan para ma-success po ang aming plano to start gardening. Sa totoo, we have no idea kung paano po talaga magsimula because this is our first time na gumawa ng garden dito po talaga sa backyard. The sun is really out, so it looks like we're gonna be here for a few hours. So, ang ginagawa ni David, he's pulling out the grass and weed. At tinutulungan ko po siya tanggalin yung mga naiwan, like yung mga root. To be honest, dream po talaga namin magkaroon ng garden sa aming backyard. And we are very thankful na we're doing this right now. Pero syempre, bago po tayo magkaroon ng success garden bed, ay kailangan talaga natin paghirapan. And of course, ito si Mariel Lesson. Working hard po talaga. Oh, ang init na. Hi honey, you're back.
Hi, honey bee. Here's some water.
Thank you.
It's important to keep hydrated out during the day in the sun.
Yeah. How about you? How about you? Have you drink your water?
I had a big cup of water in the house.
Okay. At ngayon, I am going to assemble our garden bed. I'm very thankful this garden bed because nabili po ito ng landlord ko for second hand. Actually, they are really helping us how to start garden bed. At habang busy ang asawa ko, actually parang mga nasa halfway na siya kasi kailangan yan linisin niya yung grass at the end po talaga hanggang doon dulo. And I decide I am going to assemble this one. It is quite tricky, especially pagdating na po ito ay hindi ko po nakita kung ano talagang itsura niya pag-assemble. But anyway, I will do my best so I can put them together. And I thought it was very hard, but obviously, pag hindi mo siyang subukan ay hindi mo malalaman. Ang dali lang pala, ipasok mo lang pala dito siya. Parang slide lang po siya. I reckon the shape of this garden bed, it's kind of square. Kaya ilalagay lang po natin ang another piece of this sa side lang po. And yes, slide lang din siya. But again guys, I have no idea if it's the right thing yung ginagawa ko po. So it does look like alright. And to the other side, insert lang din po natin. And finally, magiging lock square na siya. And this is it. Tapos na po siya, guys. And I'm so happy. And we can't really wait na mag-start na po kami dito pagtanim. Actually, it's really good. It's wide. And I thought parang maliit lang siya. It looks like kailangan talaga ng maraming soil because it's look like it's a deep po talaga siya. For only second hand, I would say it's really great condition dahil nagbayad lang po kami nito for only 40 bucks. And that time na mag-start po kami mag-gardening, yung ulan din nag-decide na uulan siya ngayon. So we have to stop. Sa wakas, nag-stop na po yung ulan. Yung ulan talaga dito sa Australia, it doesn't last long. Not like in the Philippines. At nasimbol ko siya agad. I'm so happy. And I'm actually surprised that malaki pala ang space niya. As in, kailangan talaga maraming soil ang ilalagay mo dito. And of course, Dave is continuing. Na-interrupt siya dahil sa ulan. You have long way to go, honey. Nandun pa. But at least may natapos na po tayong isa. Dinala ko na lang po sila lahat isa-isa dito sa isang area para mas madali po makita ko po sila kung what is the right size. So we are pretty busy today, which is we are enjoying it. We love doing things all the time. And finally, nadala ko na po silang lahat at ganito po sila karami. So kailangan ko siya isa-isahin dahil kailangan mo talaga hanapin ang bawat size. Yung first na inasimbol natin ay there's no need screw. So sa tatlo ay we have to use a screwdriver and let's do it. And our next preparation ay bumili po kami ng mat. This is like a plastic bag para ilagay po siya under the garden bed. Para po ito po ang magpo-protect po sa aming garden. Yung plastic bag ay hindi tutubo. Yung grass direct talaga mismo sa aming mga tanim. And after po malagay namin yung mat, ay yung next na po ay ilalagay na po natin yung garden bed. So this is how it's work. And of course, same to the others garden bed. Ito din po yung ginawa namin. Nilalagyan po namin ng mat first before po nilagay yung garden bed. At may hawak po akong carton dito. So kung magtatanong po kayo kung para saan po ito, bago po tayong mag-add ng soil mismo po doon sa garden bed, ilalagay muna ng carton in the top of the mat. So, kailangan ko po to i-cut para magkasya-kasya po talaga sila dahil meron po tayong 4 na garden bed. Ito lang guys ang gagawin ko. Ilalagay ko lang talaga siya inside the garden bed. As in, very basic lang talaga siyang gawin. Everyone can do it but hopefully maging success po talaga ang aming garden bed. At ito na po ang final look. As in, we are so proud to have a garden bed in our backyard. 4 po sila and the next is maglagay na po tayo ng soil. And we have 1 trailer of soil. We actually very spoiled from our landlord. Sila po talaga mismo ang nag-deliver dito sa bahay. They actually visit us and syempre wala sila sa video kasi they are very shy people but I just wanna say we are very thankful to have them. Otherwise, we won't be able to start this garden bed without their help. Kaya, of course, we are super thankful. So guys, yung ginagawa namin ngayon ay nilalagay na po namin yung soil dito po sa garden bed after nalagay na po natin yung mat at saka yung carton. It's been fun what we doing today. Mukhang madali lang siya guys paglagay, pero behind the scene, grabe, it takes times and hours to do this actually. But at the end of the day, may matatanggap kaming rewards once masuccess success po ang aming pagtanim ay makaharvest kami ng mga fresh vegetable from our backyard. Kaya nga sabi nila, pag may tanim, may aanihin. And we all looking forward for that. The soil, it looks very healthy. To be honest, for one trailer ay 2 garden bed lang po talaga ang malalagyan ng soil. At pagkatapos po malagay ang soil dito sa garden bed, you have to make them flat po talaga para ready na po magtanim. And yes guys, at since 2 garden bed lang po talaga ang nalagyan ng soil, ay ito na lang po muna ang una naming tataniman. Para makastart na po kami pananim, ay pumunta po kami sa nursery para po mamili ng mga plants. So si Sylvester, super excited to grab this. I don't even know, just grab it. After we went to the nursery, ito pala ang mga binili namin, mga vegetable na madali lang po talaga tutubo. And we have silver bait and spring onions, pak choy. So guys, madali lang talaga ito sila tutubo. Kaya ito talaga ang una naming binili. And of course, we bought some talong. And of course, herbs, basil. I love basil. This is it guys. Nakapagtanim po kami agad. Ganito po karami ang tinanim namin sa isang garden bed. Actually, pinalibutan talaga ni David ng maraming herbs, spring onions, parsley, basil, para daw may protection po ang mga spinach. Kasi ito ay mga spinach po yan. And dito po sa other side, ay dito ko po tinanim yung talong. And we have tomato there. And this is zucchini. Tapos yung iba guys, like what I said, yung isang trailer ay 2 garden beds lang po talaga ang nalagyan ng lupa. So the rest ay hindi pa talaga nalagyan ng lupa. So dito po muna namin nilagay yung the rest para hindi po talaga mamatay. Hi! Sylvester's here! Oh, what do you got?
Strawberry.
Oy, nagpabili po talaga si Sylvester ng strawberry. Binili po namin ito sa halagang $2.95. Nag-request po talaga si Sylvester na magpabili siya ng strawberry. Are you gonna plant this one?
Yes.
Yeah. And what's this, Sylvester? This is blueberry. Namulaklak na yung blueberries namin. This is actually we bought for $33. The most expensive that we bought.
That's expensive. Don't believe it, guys.
Oh, Sylvester is so excited.
Look, guys, look. It's growing. Hey, guys, let me go.
Just give them a little bit, okay? They're still a baby. Be gentle.
Be gentle.
Yeah. Okay, the blueberry. Good job, little man. And your strawberry. All done. You're doing good.
Careful for the lady.
Just a little bit. Kasi sira po kasi ang namin. Just a little bit.
Oh.
Now they are happy. Spring onion. Look, Sylvester. They happy?
Yes.
Look at them. They are happy plants. Isn't that nice? It's more looking good than before na meron na kaming dito, garden bed. Go, honeybee. Give water the talong because they're looking sad now. And the zucchini. Nag-adjustment pa po sila sa transferring plant. Kaya takes a few ka-energy. Actually, yung mga bulaklak in front of our house ay namulaklak na talaga sila. When we move in here, the first day is hindi pa to ganito karami yung bulaklak sa in front of our house. And look at this yellow flower and the roses. They look so beautiful. It's September na po kasi, kaya yung mga bulaklak ay siglabasan na talaga. And they actually really look good to our house. And may roses pa dito. Marami palang roses dito. 1, 2, 3 puno. Si Sylvester is very busy. So, ganito po talaga ka-peaceful yung buhay namin dito na nakatira na kami sa bahay. This is what we used to. We love this kind of life. Yung walang marites, walang troublemaker, peaceful life lang talaga. Ito po talaga ang gustong-gusto po talaga namin. Very peaceful life. Hi! Are you playing with your scooter? Sorry guys, medyo makalat. And Sylvester, you have to make sure this door is closed kasi madami ng langaw. Honeybee, ipapakita ko po sa inyo. Gusto ko po sana dito magtanim ng kamote. Did you put your blueberry in the sun?
Yeah.
You need the sun, aren't they?
Yeah.
So guys, we are planning to plant here a kamote, but meron na palang kamote na tinanim yung may-ari dito. Namamatay daw siya during winter, as in walang kamote dyan. Pero hindi ko na raw kailangan magtanim ulit ng kamote kasi yung namamatay na kamote during winter na dito tinanim ay nabubuhay lang siya ulit. Which is, nakikita ko na siya guys. Ayan, that's kamote. Bago pa talaga siya nabuhay. This is new life na kamote. When we move in here, hindi ko pa po ito nakita. Ngayon lang talaga, maglilinis lang ako dito dahil dito po natin itatanim ang strawberry ni Sylvester. Oh, you're wearing helmet, honey. Are you going somewhere?
Yeah, we're to bring Sylvester to the park.
Sylvester, are you going to the park?
I'm gonna wait for Scooter.
Okay. So, see you guys later. Ganito po ang ginagawa nila this afternoon. See you! Bye! Ganito po yung ginagawa nila this afternoon. Sometimes sumasama ako. Sometimes nagpapaiwan lang ako. And I have to prepare early for our dinner. Oh guys, nandun na sila. Sylvester is so excited when he's spending time with his dad. Napakalapit lang po yung park dito. It's around maybe 1 minute to ride a bike or to walk. Maybe 2 to 3 minutes. So, if ever gusto ko doon pumunta, anytime lang guys, kasi napakalapit. But anyway, I'm really determined to plant Sylvester strawberry. For sure, he will be so happy once he see po na nakatanim na po ang kanyang strawberries. And so far, it's a very, very big achievement po talaga na meron na po kami ditong garden bed in our backyard. And si David, super happy po talaga siya. We have a responsibility now every morning and every afternoon. Kailangan namin silang diligan ng tubig. The soil here, it's very hard. Kaya, let's make it moist first. Dito ko po sila itatanim. And every afternoon po talaga dito sa Australia, ang maririnig mo lang mga guni-guni ng ibon. Here we go. Our strawberry. Papakita natin yung kang Sylvester. I'm sure he's gonna be so happy na natanim na ang kanyang strawberry. And ako'y magluluto na dahil mamaya uuwi na yun sila Sylvester. Maybe around mga 7, uuwi yun. Kasi ang time ngayon ay 6 PM. Ganito po sa Australia pag 6 PM. Pag summer po guys. Kasi pag summer dito sa South Australia and maybe Victoria, nag-change po yung time. Naging advance. Originally po talaga, ang oras ngayon ay nasa mga 5 PM pa lang. Ngayon ay nasa 6 PM na kasi naging advance 1 hour. Kaya mukhang napakasani pa, even 6 PM na. Ginagawa nila po yun every summer. At pag winter naman, instead 6 PM, nagiging 5 PM. Pinagpalit-palit lang nila yan around winter and summer. And here's all my happy plants. So guys, I will show you this garden bed again, maybe in the next 2 to 3 months, and when it's time to harvest na, bago nyo po sila makita ulit. And let's see ang progressing natin after 2 to 3 months, kung worth it po ba yung ginawa namin sa aming backyard, kung tutubo po ba talaga sila or magiging healthy sila. And anyway guys, thank you for watching our video. I really appreciate if you subscribe our channel and like this video. Bye!